Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be cleaning out my linen closet, so I'm just going to show you a before picture and show you how messy it is, and then we are going to use some Dollar Tree bins that I got and get this closet organized. So if you're interested in seeing this, just keep on watching. And here are the bins that I got from the Dollar Tree. I just picked these up, so I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to use these or if I'm going to use them all, but these blue ones here, they stack on top of each other, and then this is just a little clear one. So I'm just going to start by kind of emptying out everything, going through it and seeing what I'm going to keep and how I'm going to organize it all. As you can see, I already have some Dollar Tree bins in here, quite a few actually, and then some other ones that aren't from the Dollar Tree, but just a mishmash of stuff, and I'm going to go through and try to clean it out. Up here's all my sheet sets and stuff. I have so many, so I'm going to go through and kind of weed those out. Alright, let's get started. We have way too many sheets, so I'm going to go through and get rid of quite a bit of these. I even have like a brand new set that I don't even think I knew was up there. So yeah. I was looking for the other day, and I was gonna get some more of this, but didn't know this was in there. Now that everything is out, I'm just going to go ahead and spray down the shelves with this Method all-purpose spray. Okay, so here's all this stuff emptied out of the closet. I've got my whole stash of sheets there. I've got some extra towels, washcloths, all the medications. Here I have all my extras, my nail polish supplies, and then all my hair products and hair coloring stuff. And then these are also extras. So now it's just time to go through and purge. So that right there is what I'm left with. I do have a white set in the dryer freshening up, because I'm going to put that on my bed and then put the one on my bed in the wash. And that is it. So a lot cleaner up there. There's nothing in the back behind any of those. And before, that whole area was completely full. Okay, so I think I'm going to condense all of this. I have extra washcloths in here and then towels. I'm going to put them all in one container. Then I think for all my medications, which are in this basket, I'm going to go ahead and put in this clear bin that comes with a lid. And then that way I can stack, hopefully, I can stack my essential oils on top of the lid. And then anytime we need to get to the medicine, it's just easy. Just take this off. I need this anymore. I don't have a baby. Haven't had a baby for a long time. Next, I have all my oils that I use, like carrier oils and stuff like that. So like the fractionated coconut oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, all that kind of stuff for my face and my essential oils. So I'm just going to go ahead and put all this into this basket. It's totally amazing what you'll find when you're cleaning and going through stuff. I ordered these a long time ago. They're like these dark glass bottles for essential oils to make like mixtures, and these come with a spray. So like spray bottles. So I'm just going to go ahead and lay these in this little basket here. And then I also, when I purchased those, I purchased some roller ones. So little glass jars with the little roller balls, again, to make roll-on essential oil stuff. So I'm just going to put all this stuff in here. And then I have several of these left over. This comes, I believe, a 10-pack from the Dollar Tree. And I use these to make my face, not serums, but my face creams and stuff like that with coconut oil and essential oils. So I'm just going to store all this stuff in this little basket here. Like so. Okay, next up are my nail polishes. I'm going to go ahead and use these stackable containers and try to organize them or separate them by lights and darks. Okay, apparently I have a lot more lighter colors or spring colors, so I'm going to go ahead and put this one on top. I know I have a ton. I'm not going to go through and filter this out right now, but I'm just organizing it better, and I'll go through and these probably another time. And I'm just going to go through here and kind of get rid of stuff. Some of these back here are all bad, so I'm getting rid of those. Now it's time to work on my hair care stuff. So all my hair dyeing stuff that I have in this container and kind of all over. So I'm just gonna use this to put all the stuff in. And I keep keep some of the empty bottles just so I know what I've colored my hair in the past and if I've liked it or not. Also, one thing I try to do is when I dye my hair, I'll try to take a picture of the dye that I used along with a picture of my hair. That way I can look back, and if I liked my hair color in a certain picture, I know exactly what I used to color my hair. Include these hair color sprays that we used for Halloween. Okay, now it's time to go through all of my extras. This is where I have a ton of stuff. I probably have like 5 or 6 deodorants. So I'm just going to go through and get rid of stuff that I don't use, that's old, or that I have too many extras of. I'll either donate it, like give it away to family, friends, or just toss it. Just utilize these in my boys' bathroom. I'm not sure yet. Store that in my boys' bathroom because it's a ton of extra toothbrushes and a bunch of small travel toothpaste that they can use up. And then I just want to show you all the extra bins that I had left over. And all this stuff right here too, I'm going to either get rid of or put in my boys' bathroom. So as you can see, a ton of extra bins. And then, are you ready for the finished closet, guys? Show you up close. So like I showed earlier, I saved, these are all the linens that I saved, towels and washcloths, all my oils back there that I showed earlier, and then my essential oils. I have my other new oil kit downstairs, but these were from my old kit that I have up here. Some hydrogen peroxide and all my medications. Got rid of all the expired ones. condensed my nail polishes. This is a lot thinner of a bin and they're stackable, so I'm taking advantage of the height here. I separated them with light and dark nail polishes, so all my like spring and lighter colors and darker colors for winter. All my polishing stuff, that has my gel nail kit, Q-tips and cotton balls. And then down here is all my hair care stuff. So these are all my hair tools and extra brushes and stuff. So I have a bunch of different hair tools, obviously, but like curling irons, different sizes, stuff like that. And then over here and behind here, it fell, but I have a new blow dryer that's still boxed up, and then a wet brush that fell over here. So wet brush. I got that for Christmas one year, and I had one at the time, so I didn't use it. I also forgot to show back here behind this is where I have all those extra containers for my oils to make stuff. So next to the hair tools container, I have all my hair coloring stuff in here. So my developers and hair colors. And then back there, I just have the foam rollers, the boxed hair colors, and then my clippers. Down here, I have all my extras, so I condensed it, got rid of stuff, and then I'm putting some extra stuff in the boys' bathroom because they're running low on some of their stuff. And then in here are some other extras. I have a bunch of loofahs. I just got a couple for Valentine's Day. Razors, all of our travel stuff, and then we have a ton of extra bar soaps. Down here, I think that's our nebulizer machine. I just kept that there, and then some light bulbs. Those could go elsewhere, but they're the light bulbs for up here, so I just kept them up here. And then of course feminine products, and I have them in a little basket, so when it's that time I just put this next to the toilet and then I can put it up. And then down here I have the extra feminine products that I've purchased, and then extra toilet papers will go in there. I have a whole extra toilet paper thing by the toilet, so I don't need very much out here. And then I just have this little mixing bowl caddy. This is what I use to clean the shower. So I just kind of keep that down here so it's not taking up room underneath the sink. And if you're wondering what's back there, that's just to clean the drains. Alright you guys, so that is the finished closet. Hopefully this gave you some motivation to clean something in your house today, and hopefully you found it helpful. And check out some of the other content on my channel. If you like it, subscribe, stick around for more, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye friends!